Hey, what up, everyone? It's Timo Irvin here. Welcome to our weekly Forex analysis for the week of December 6th to the 10th. So this is our second week trading our weekly Forex analysis, trading with multiple time frame, and our website is TWEforexsystem.com. So let's go. We are celebrating the holiday. So there is a 40% holiday off on any of our software. So make sure you are aware of that. All right, let's go ahead and see what the market is gonna be doing this coming week, the week of December 6th to the 10th. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our AUDJPY. Pay close attention what AUDJPY is doing, guys. Always pay attention to your dashboard. One of my favorite time frame to enter on the market, it is 1 hour. So 1 hour is letting me know, Irvin, we are in a sell position at this real time. But what is the original trend doing? Look at here, multiple time frame is letting me know here that we are in a buy position. Our TWE sniper entry is also confirming that yes, we are in a buy position. Look at this buy, and look, it never returned, guys. Boom, it just went bullish like crazy. So AUD, the JPYs are in uptrend at this present time. So but in real time right now, what is the scenario? The scenario in reality in real time is the market is giving us a pullback. So pullback is valid at this present time. If you guys put a trend line in here, look at this one. If you put a trend line, most likely what the market is still gonna be dropping another 15 20 more pips. The market is gonna be giving us a continuation of the buy, retesting this high here. Then from there, market will continue as a sell. Why I'm saying the market will continue as a sell? Because I'm expecting to see the TWE sniper entry to be fully formed in this area here, letting me know, Irvin, we are gonna be now coming down. So but in the meantime, the market is giving us a pullback. It's not doing anything else than just a pullback. All right, guys, do me a favor. It is very important for me and you as well as support the channel, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's one thing that you must do. And remember, if you want the best tricks, analysis, and strategy here on our Forex channel, make sure you hit that bell and subscribe so you don't ever miss any content from us. So support the channel and help us out by liking, share, and subscribe. All right, so and another thing before I do forget as well is your Forex disclaimer, guys. I'm not your financial advisor, nothing like that. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze and make hundreds and hundreds of pips trading with our multiple time frame. If you guys need help or you want me to teach you how to trade, please let me know. That my private Telegram is in the description of this video. Also, guys, I highly recommend everyone to join our free Telegram. We have a free Telegram. Let me see if I can bring our website so you can see it, because it is very important. Let me see if I can bring, yeah, let's go ahead and bring this video here. Let me see. All right, let's put this video in pause. Oh, it is. Look at here. All you gotta do, guys, there is a 40% running at this present time. It's a holiday 40% off on any of our software. There is a master link in here. You can subscribe to that one, but I highly recommend everybody to join our free Telegram. Here it says free Telegram. Click on here and subscribe if you have not subscribed, so you don't ever miss anything from us. If you want to subscribe to our Instagram, our Twitter, our Facebook, all the link is in here. Make sure you support the channel by doing that. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next pair. The next pair that I have for everyone here, it is USD Canadian. Pay close attention to the dashboard. What's the dashboard telling you here? Hey, it's telling you that we are in a buy position. Look at the multiple time frame telling us, Irvin, we are bullish. Look at this nice bullish position, bullish. Real time, what is the real time doing? Reality market, it is in a buy position. Look at that one. Boom, 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 boom. Market is clearly going in one direction. So right now, market still bullish. All I can say is market is still gonna come back and retest your re-entry level here, and then from here we're expecting to see, guys, this coming week we're expecting to see a pullback. So market right now is still bullish. So we're expecting to see probably on Monday or Tuesday, we're gonna see the reversal coming down, and then market's gonna continue and get back to the original trend, retesting this previous high here. Then by then it's gonna be Wednesday. So on Wednesday, guys, at around 3 or 4 p.m. Eastern time, we are gonna be reviewing the before and after. We're gonna be talking about the data that does not exist here yet. So we're gonna be talking about that because this is what we do best in our channel. We like to give you data that is not here yet. So when we come in on Wednesday, then you get to see if the product is on point or not. So far we are trading already. This is the second week. Last week we were on point. I don't know what is gonna happen this coming week. So we see, or I can see there will be a lot of pullbacks. Please let me know in the comment below if you have any question or you want me to bring any of your peer. I will be more than happy to do so. And guys, since I already have you here, let me know if this weekly forex analysis makes sense. If it does, let me know in the comment below if you want me to make a different type of video, or you want me to cover in a specific area of the trading, so we can go ahead and do a video on Monday, or either we can do a live streaming so we can bring up your question into reality so you can ask. So all the goal here is to help you out. And don't forget, guys, to give us a thumbs up so you can drop a comment, like I say, to support the channel. All right, so Euro GBP, guys, is the trend here is clearly bullish. Look at here, buy, bullish, 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 TWE, bullish. Look at what the trend is doing, guys. The trend, it is at this present time bullish. So what are we expecting to see on Friday? The market declosed as a pullback. So market is doing a pullback, or like I say, market all this coming week, guys, still gonna be pushing a lot of pullback. So if my suggestion to you is, if you don't know how to trade pullback, just don't do it. Just trade going with the trend, but don't trade going against the trend, because market will eat you alive, and then you're gonna hate this business. You're gonna think, oh, this thing don't work, and then you're gonna start hating it. No, learn how to trade and stick to it. All right, so all I can see here on Euro GBP, guys, market is giving us at this present time a pullback. So all I can say is pullback still gonna be retesting this low here, which is fine, mid 50 to your 38 Fibonacci level, and then from there market's gonna take control, going in that buy position, retesting your 61. By then it's gonna be Wednesday, and then it's gonna do a small retracement, retesting this low here, and so on. But then it's gonna be Wednesday. We're gonna see the before and after. Right now we don't have no data, so it's kind of like more difficult for you to understand, but you're gonna see on Wednesday all this data that does not exist here yet. It will be here, so everything will make sense. If the trade goes against our rules, it's fine, but at least I want to be honest, we have been trading a 2021 very successfully. So and I want to keep the honesty with you guys, because I don't believe in lying and making things up, because at the end of the day, I'm not lying to you, I will be lying to myself, and I don't want that to ever happen. So I want to be the most honest coach and trading trader here on YouTube in many years to come. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next pair of the week. The next pair that I have here is another pullback coming, lining up very sexy. Pay close attention to your dashboard, guys. Dashboard is burning red in here, really nice, telling us that we are in a sell position at this present time, which is true. Look at here, multiple time frame is letting me know we're in a sell. TWE is not pay interest selling. Look at this sell, sell, and more selling. So the whole trade here is clearly telling us that we are selling. So Irving, what should I do on Monday? Well, this is not signal, remember, this is for educational purpose, but what I can see on Monday is the market still gonna be pushing down, guys, another probably 15-20 pips. Then we're gonna be looking for a green arrow somewhere in here, going in a pullback, retesting this previous high here between your 38 to your 23 Fibonacci line. From there, market is gonna do a small retracement, and most likely, guys, maybe it's gonna happen. We're gonna be looking for a TWE sniper entry forming in this direction, telling us that we are officially on that bullish trend. But right now, all we know that the market is still selling. If you do see something else, I would love to hear back from you. And remember, guys, we're doing a 40% off on any of our software all the way to January 10, 2022. So make sure you use the code holiday 40% off on the checkout. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and support the channel, guys. Any other trader will be selling you this data that I'm giving you here. They're gonna be charging you about $150 to $200 a month after month. So the decision is yours. So I'm giving you content and amazing setups. To be honest, there's thousands and thousands of pips to be made, and all you gotta do is come and collect those hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and what? And hundreds of pips. You better believe that. All right, just make sure you do that, guys. All right, any question, guys? Who has question here? All right, who has any question here? Any question, guys? All right, let's go ahead and review the next pair of the week. The next pair that I have for everyone here, it is gonna be GBPUSD. Pay close attention. This is another pullback that we are expecting to see here on the market. Pay close attention to the dashboard. The dashboard don't lie, guys. Let me go ahead and fix this and tell you, because this, to be honest, I didn't know that I had it wrong. So yes, market right now is still selling down, so it's still gonna be pushing probably like another 15-20 more pips. But at the end of the day, I'm doing this live right as we speak right now. So what I'm expecting to see here, guys, to be honest, pay close attention to the dashboard, guys. The dashboard is on fire, it's on point, telling you that my favorite time frame is on sale. Look at here, multiple time frame as well is on sale. Look at our Y multiple time frame is selling. Our TWE sniper entry is selling. Look at this sell, multiple time frame selling. Look at that. From there, multiple time frame never recovered. It just gave you straight up shot telling you the GBPUSD is still selling at this present time. So all I can say, this coming week, market is still gonna be pushing another 15-20 more pips, retesting this previous multiple time frame in here. Yes, that is true. And then from there, we are expecting to see a green arrow in here, and we are gonna be doing a pullback. So I believe the market still has a very potential area retesting this previous multiple time frame, and here retesting your 38 to your 23 Fibonacci line. Then from there, market will give us a retracement. But this retracement, most likely, guys, what I'm expecting to see here, this coming week, guys, there's a lot of pullback. So if you don't know how to trade pullback, just don't do it. Please be careful, okay? I just want you to be careful, because I don't want you to screw it up. All right, so but what I was expecting to see here is I'm expecting to see the TWE sniper entry going on the other side of the aisle, confirming that we are already changing trend to be on that bullish position. So that's what I'm expecting to see here. But let me know in the comment below if you guys disagree or agree. Let me know what do you guys think, because it's important. All right, so guys, like I said earlier, if you guys want me to make any video of your choice, please let me know, so I can help you out and help you, because the goal here is to help you. And remember, guys, once again, to remind everyone, guys, we are doing our 40% off on any of our software. Just use the code holiday 40% off. Okay, any of our system is 40% off. And remember, don't trade any money you cannot afford to lose. And come and support our channel if you can. And what are we doing today anyway? What are we doing today, guys? This is the weekend, right? So we are doing a Christmas holiday sale, guys, and we are doing our weekly Forex analysis for the week of December 6th to the 10th, trading with our software TWEforexsystem.com. And this week we're expecting to collect over 990 blue pips. So if you want to join us, you are more than welcome to do so. And remember guys, like I always say, God bless you, God bless your family, and God bless our beautiful nation of the United States of America. And I will see you guys on Monday. So Monday we're gonna do a live YouTube streaming live. Okay, so you can ask questions and so on. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace out guys, love you guys, bye bye.